Okay, Mimi, for other side, I want you to start by playing the last notes of the riff like this. And not hesitating at all with that low E, so it's got to be short, 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 or short, short, long, but just no hesitation. So just do. Okay, then back up to the straight part and play this. Okay, that's the straightest part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excuse me. But when you get there, it starts to dance again. It goes again. And I want you to practice taking your second finger from 3 to 5. And I want you to go. And nail that part cold. And then think about the first rhythms, which are more complicated. And they go like this. Long, long, short, long. That's the first bit. You want to tap it out. Long, long, short, long. Long, long, short, long. Long, long, short, long. Long, long, short, long. And just play it to one note. And play it to this note. And play it to the real phrase. Again, long, long, short, long, 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 short, long. And then you can put it all back together. Okay, no rain, you can, the riff goes like this. The simple part is here. And then it gets more fun. You do this pull off and hammer on 5 to 4. And then you come down the B string. 7, 5, 3, 3, 5, 3, 5. And it repeats. One more time. And it feels like it's going to do a fourth time, but it starts the same way and doubles that 5. So 5, 4, 5, 5. And take these two fingers up to 7 and hammer on and pull off on 7 to, not 7, 9, 9 to 10. And then you land the second string at 10 and the third string at 9. So it's, so that last line is. It seems complicated, but it's really comfortable in a way because it's using familiar fingers. Now the rhythms, the verse goes A, D, A, a quick G, they sneak in, and back to E. And I want you to play down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Now the A gets truncated. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. Now, very normal. Watching the colors gather rain. And then the next section, like a chorus, is simpler. It's just E to D, and it goes down, 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 up, 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 up. Wait, how did I give it to you? Look what I wrote. Okay, so it's down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down. Do that for a long time, and it's insane. Escape. That's just all an E chord.